How to change text size in Beelinguapp. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Changing the text size in Beelinguapp is simple and makes reading more comfortable, so here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Beelinguapp application on your mobile device and log into your account like you normally do. Now go ahead and select open the story you want to read, and once you're inside this reading screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon and select text size option. You'll see a small slider over there. Drag the text size slider towards the right to increase the size of the text, whereas to decrease the size of the text, you can drag it towards the left. You can see the changes visible on the screen immediately once you drag the slider. So after making sure you want this text size or whichever text size you prefer, you can get back by tapping on the cross icon at the top left, and there you go. Bigger text is helpful for beginners or long reading sessions, whereas smaller text allows you to see more of the story at once. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.